Hey there, Dashers. If you are more comfortable, using kilometers instead of a mile, right, in your Doordash Dasher app, don't worry, guys. It's super simple to actually switch. So let's walk through the steps to actually make that change. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to open up the Doordash, Dasher app and just log in, all right? And then you want to just head to the main menu by tapping, those three horizontal lines in the top left corner. You want to tap on that. Then you want to just access your settings, all right? Scroll down and tap on account settings or a similar option depending on your app version. Then what you want to do, guys, is you want to look for, find the measurement unit setting, all right? So you want to look for a selection labeled units or measurement preference. Here you'll see the option to actually switch between miles and kilometers. So what you're going to do, guys, is you just want to select kilometers. You want to tap on kilometers to actually change your distance measurements. And the app will save your preference automatically, guys. So if needed, guys, what you can do is you can actually restart the app. So if the new settings don't apply right away, simply close and reopen the Dasher app to ensure that the changes actually take effect. And that's it, guys. Now your distances will be displayed in kilometers, making the navigation, more intuitive if you are accustomed to, metric measurements. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other helpful tutorials. I'll see you on the road. Be safe, guys. See you guys in the next video.